Hello kids, I'm Mrs. Annie from Sir Isaac Newton School. I'm very happy to meet you today. I hope you all are safe and enjoying your holidays. In addition to your enjoyments, we thought to make use of it by taking online classes. And today, I'm going to take mathematics for grade 2 CBSE. Today, let us discuss about lines and shapes. What is line? You all know how to draw a line, right? Using your pencil and ruler. But what is line? Yeah, a line can be defined as a straight figure which extends endlessly in both directions. Let's see some example for this. Step 1. Trace along the dotted line on the grass to reach the biscuit. Here is the rat and here is the biscuit. We have to trace this line, dotted line, to reach the biscuit. Okay, but here the definition for line is which extends endlessly in both direction, right? Let's see here, we can take this biscuit from here and we can place it here, right? Then this line will get extended. That is what the definition for line. A line can be defined as a straight figure which extends endlessly in both directions. We can extend this dotted line from here to here. In this direction also we can take this rat and place it here. Then this dotted line will get extended. This is called a line. We can extend it in both the directions. Second one, trace along the dotted line to climb up the pole and reach the cheese. So from here, the rat is going to climb up the pole and going to reach the cheese. Next one, trace along the dotted line to help the rat come down. Now the rat went to the top to get the cheese. Now we have to help the rat to come down. So it comes from here to the top and it has to come down. So we are helping the rat to come by this way to here. Okay. Did the rat move along the straight lines? Say yes or no. Did the rat move along the straight lines? Yeah, it is going by the straight line, not a curved line or something. It's going by a straight line. So, did the rat move along straight lines? Now tell me the answer. Yeah, yes. Okay. Now, we are going to see types of lines. There are three types of lines. There are only three types of lines. Now we are going to learn three types of lines. Let's see the first one. First one is called a sleeping line or a horizontal lines. We can call this line as a sleeping line or horizontal lines. While we are sleeping, we will be in this position only, right? So, we are calling it as sleeping line and the name for this line is horizontal lines. Read this again. Horizontal lines. Horizontal. Horizontal lines. Next one is standing line. What's that? Next one is standing line or a vertical line. Next one is standing line or a vertical line. You know how to stand, right? We will stand like this only. So, this is called a standing line or a vertical line. So, at last, the third one is slanting line. This is a slanting line. This is called a slanting line. What is the name of this line? This is called a slanting line. From this figure, we can get all the three lines. Let's see. This is a sleeping line or a horizontal line, and this is called a standing line or a vertical line, and this is called a slanting line. Yeah, do you understand? There are three types of lines. First one is sleeping line or a horizontal line, and the second one is standing line or a vertical line, and the last one is slanting line. Okay, let's recall this. First one, we have learnt about sleeping lines or a horizontal lines. These dotted lines are called what? Sleeping lines or horizontal lines. Yeah, you are right. It is called sleeping lines or horizontal lines. Please repeat it with me. These lines are called sleeping lines or horizontal lines. And the next one is, yeah, these dotted lines are called standing lines or vertical lines. Repeat it with me. Standing lines or vertical lines. Very good. And the last one, these lines are called slanting lines. Say it again. These lines are called slanting lines. Very good. Okay dears, let's have fun by doing this exercise. Please do this exercise by yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Please make use of it. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you. Be safe.